Hello and a very warm welcome to all learners on my productive and skill-oriented platform. I'm Tariq Khan, your trainer for this entire learning series, which related to most industry demanded skill, cloud computing. In all episodes of this whole journey, we will learn concepts about cloud technologies and gain number of hands-on skills which make capable all our learners to join this industry and start a progressive career with the recognition they deserve. So let's begin the journey. So when I talk about my IT career, I have a number of certifications on the platform of cloud computing, which include Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, GCP certification, and Amazon Solution Architect. I have a number of certifications on the platform of Cisco, which are related to the networking technology, which include CCNA, CCNP, and CCI. I have a few certifications on the platform of virtualization on the platform of VMware, and number of certifications on the side of system infrastructure on the platform of Microsoft. I have done number of projects on different platforms, which include system, networking, IT, security, and cloud computing, and work with a number of multinational organizations within last 10 years. So it's my brief history related to my certification and career. So let's talk about the major key takeaways which we are going to cover during this whole series. So what are the important key takeaways? What are the objective of this training series? In the first episode, we will definitely gain cloud fundamental concept. As you know, that without understanding the fundamentals of any technology, it is impossible for anyone to gain knowledge and skill on any specific technology. So we will start from the definition and understand what is cloud computing and what kind of technologies, techniques, and tools running behind the scene and facilitating the current IT infrastructure. After that, brief discussion of cloud architecture. You know that the architecture is the basic or key component of any technology, which are, you can consider, which are the building blocks of this technology. So we will gain knowledge about the building blocks, or what are the regions, what are the zones in the cloud computing technology. What are the hybrid cloud, what concepts included in the public cloud, what kind of services this technology providing right now in IT world. So we will gain detailed knowledge about the cloud architecture with hands-on labs. After that, we will discuss about the cloud technologies. There are a number of technologies which involve in the development of current cloud computing technology. So the major components of the cloud technology include compute, networking, you can say storage, serverless computing, containerization, AI. So we will discuss timely all the concepts which are necessary to develop the fundamental skills for all the candidates. And at the last, definitely hands-on demos for cloud computing technology. The major objective behind this training is to develop hands-on skills for all our candidates. Most of the time when I'm trying to do any kind of training, my concept is 30-70. 30% theoretical knowledge, while 70% I'm totally focused on the lab side. So we will perform number of labs related to the cloud technology, how we can create our portal on the platform of Microsoft Azure or Amazon or Google Cloud, and how can we create virtual machines, how we can develop storage accounts on our portal. And after that, we will definitely do number of labs related to the security, networking infrastructure, containerization. So the whole objective of this training program is to provide technical knowledge with number of hands-on labs for all the candidates. So by time you will learn the theoretical concepts, including with tremendous or remarkable lab scenarios which we are going to deploy in our whole series. So in our whole series, we will start with the scratch, or we will understand the fundamentals of the cloud computing, and by digging more, or by going deep inside the cloud computing technology, we will learn all the concepts of this technology. So let's start with the first episode.